asking, um, yeah, I want to eat protein, but I don't know where to start. I don't know what to eat. Although it's 2025, we still have that issue. So here I break down some of the highest protein foods that you could find based on the general serving size, so you can get started. First, the excuses. It's so hard to hit my protein goals. With this guideline, you have no excuse to not hit your protein goals. It is the most important macronutrient. It's what you need mostly to survive. I don't have time to cook. We can't be saying that anymore. Protein doesn't have to be cooked daily. Keep ready to eat options like shakes, yogurts, rotisserie chicken, deli meat, turkey specifically, etc. Another one, protein is too expensive. No, it's not. Worst case scenario, get canned tuna, we have eggs, beans, etc. I'm too full to eat more. You might be filling up on carbs and low calorie foods because low calorie foods usually have more volume, and you're probably eating a lot of carbs, so you get full faster. So it's better to prioritize your protein before you eat anything else. I don't like meat. Yeah, that's great, but there are plenty of other options like dairy, beans, powders, etc. I don't know how much protein I need. Well, the 0.8-1 gram of protein per pound of body weight if you're active or building muscle. I recommend 1 pound just to be safe because the FDA is allowed to be 20% off in either direction. So it's better to get 1 gram per pound of body weight. Shout out King Keto. Oh, and another one. I just forget. So prep ahead. So grilled chicken, protein, grill for the week for a couple of days ahead. That way you don't get in that situation where you have to think and second guess and make a bad decision. So prepare. That way you don't have to worry about not executing. It says set reminders or meal plans on your phone. If you're someone who forgets to eat, set a reminder on your phone. Just like I have a reminder of like meetings and boards and things you need to do. If you truly forget to eat, set a reminder, hey, I'm gonna eat at this time. And set a reminder to remind you that we could do it. But no matter what, if you don't eat what you need to eat, you're not gonna get the result that you need to get, whether it's in a surplus or a deficit. Your body doesn't care. We got meat, chicken breast, 3.5 ounces cooked. We get up to 31 grams of protein. Turkey breast, 3.5 ounces cooked, up to 29 grams of protein. Chicken is a complete protein, and turkey helps with red blood cell production, and both of them are high in vitamin B3, 6, and 12. Next, we have canned tuna and water. So 5 ounces, up to 42 grams of protein. Salmon, 3.5 ounces cooked, up to 25 grams of protein. Shrimp, 3.5 ounces cooked, up until 24 grams of protein. All three of those are high in vitamin B3, 6, and 12. Then you have lean beef, 90% lean. 2.5 ounces go up to 26 grams of protein. Beef is a complete protein rich in all amino acids, essential amino acids. It has creatine, B vitamins, zinc, etc. I also forgot lean grilled pork, tenderloin or chops. One serving up to 26 grams of protein. Other animal proteins that we can use. Whole eggs, one large egg, up to 6 grams. The choline in the yolk supports brain health and liver function. So eat the yolk, eat the white. Now adjust them according to your macros, but don't be afraid of the yolk. Back then, they used to be scared of the yolk, but now we realize that it's a myth. So please, egg whites. 4 egg whites, up to 14 grams of protein. Both are low in calories and are complete proteins. They support brain function and different vitamins. Greek yogurt, non-fat. 1 cup, up to 20 grams of protein. Cottage cheese, low fat. 1 cup, up to 28 grams of protein. Greek yogurt contains probiotics for healthy gut digestion and gut bacteria balance. Cottage cheese contains casein, which is slow digesting. Both have calcium to support bone health. They also help with muscle contraction and nerve function. Next, we got plant-based protein. So if you don't like meat, this is for you. You have tempeh, up to 19 grams. Seitan, up to 21 grams. Cooked lentils, which I've used a lot. I love lentils. 18 grams. Good for fiber and protein. Clean you out like nothing. Edamame, up to 17 grams. Chickpeas, I use them sometimes with rice, up to 15 grams. Black beans, again with rice, with almost anything, up to 15 grams. Tofu, I rarely eat tofu. I've had it one time. It's not my thing, but if it's your thing, up to 10 grams. Hemp seeds, up to 10 grams. Quinoa, cooked, 1 cup has 8 grams of protein. Peanut butter, 2 tablespoons has 8 grams of protein. So the benefit of plant proteins, disclaimer, like I said earlier, I only consume some of these, not all of these. But they're all options for you if you're not a meat eater. They can be combined with others for full amino acid profiles. You can make stir fries, bowls, smoothies, salads, soups, and snacks. They contain no dietary cholesterol. They are naturally rich in vitamins and minerals like iron, magnesium, potassium, and B vitamins. They're also high in fiber, except for seitan and tofu. Protein powders. We got whey isolate, which is the best one. Less less stuff to really help you go to the bathroom. They're just pure as it gets. 1 serving, some have 25 up to 30 grams. Whey concentrate, if you don't have any gut issues, you could drink that. Again, 20 to 24 grams. Casein, a little bit more slow digesting. A lot of people like to eat it at night, consume it at night. You get up to 27 grams. Egg white protein, 1 scoop, up to 25 grams of protein. I rarely had egg white protein, I'm not gonna lie. Plant-based protein blend, 1 scoop, 20 to 25. I've had different companies of plant-based. Soy protein, 1 scoop up to 27 grams. Honestly, I put this there because, you know, for those of you who like it, I don't, and I will never consume soy protein. But do your thing. Pea protein, I've had pea protein, good, up to 22 grams. Brown rice protein, same, up to 20 grams, 1 serving. Hemp protein powder, I'm not sure if I've had that, but 1 serving, up to 15 grams. Collagen peptides, 2 scoops, up to 18 grams. Collagen is very good. The benefits of protein powders. They are convenient and quick. They are an easy way to meet daily goals. Great for busy schedules, post-workout, or on the go. The controlled portions and macros. They're easy to track protein intake accurately. I mean, yeah, just grab a scale, 1 scoop, 2 scoop. Sometimes you might not even need to, just 1 scoop completely, good to go. They're high quality complete proteins. Yes, they're specifically made to be that. So use it as you need. Don't use all of it only, but if you need to, use it. It's a tool. Whey, casein, and many blends contain all 9 essential amino acids. Plant-based powders often combine sources like pea plus rice, etc. for completeness. They are versatile in recipes. Again, smoothies, overnight oats, shakes, pudding, cake, protein breads, whatever you want. They keep adding yogurts, pancakes, baked goods, all that good stuff. Now the thing is choosing the right protein, because not all of us can digest certain proteins, so keep that in mind. Prioritize high protein foods that fit your goals, whether you're building muscle, losing fat, or staying healthy. Animal sources are typically more protein dense and complete, but plant-based options can be just as effective with variety and smart pairing. Protein powders are a convenient way to hit your daily target, especially post-workout or on busy days. Yeah, if you're busy and you need to get protein in and you're behind on your protein, have some protein powders. It won't hurt you. You will like to think it does? No, it's there for that. Aim for 25 to 40 grams of protein per meal. Spread throughout the day to maximize muscle growth, recovery, and satiety. Yeah, especially people that have to consume like over 150 grams of protein, they like to make the excuse that, oh, I can't get enough, whatever they say. If you consume at least 40 in each meal, 3 meals, that's 120. You have to eat more, one or two scoops of shake and protein powder. Good. Now you're at pretty much 160, 170. Pretty easy. Yeah, that's about it. So choose the right protein